Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today, let's dive into my adoption story. I was 4 or 5 when I overheard my nanny saying something about me having a twin. That was my first clue something was different about me. Years later, I noticed I didn't look like my parents. Big eyes in a family of small ones. Doubts grew, but I kept them inside. One stormy night in 1988, my aunt's outburst confirmed that I was adopted. I wasn't angry, just relieved to finally know. My mom later shared the story. My twin and I were left in the hospital for 6 months. She could only adopt me, but my birth family reclaimed her later. I've always been fascinated by twins. Maybe it's because a part of me wonders, will I ever see my twin and birth mother? If you have any leads, let me know. Help me uncover the truth about my twin and my past. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.